Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme C33, and now I'm gonna show you how to exit, how to close talkback mode on this device. Okay, as you can see, there is a talkback mode enabled in my device, and I can't do anything in my device because talkback is enabled. So now I will show you how to disable talkback. So firstly, you need to open your control panel, but as you can see, you can't do it. So you need to open settings. You need to find settings application in your device. How to do it? So firstly, you need to know that all moves you are doing in talkback, you need to do twice. For example, if you want to open Play Store, you need to click on it, then twice click on it to open. So in this way. And you can disable talkback using power button and volume up. So just click, press and hold on it. Then press and hold power button and volume down button. Then press and hold volume up and volume down button.
Press and hold both.
Wait a while. In this way, you will see this window, then click turn on and click turn on twice. Then go back and press and hold volume up and volume down both again.
Talkback off.
And talkback was successfully disabled, as you can see. And of course, you can open control panel, you can scroll down, choose accessibility, and here choose talkback future and disable it. Of course, you can do it, but the fastest way to disable talkback is to simultaneously pressing volume up and volume down. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.